Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer price feeds to Google. To transfer price feeds to Google Shopping from Shopify, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Apps section in the left sidebar. Search for a suitable Google Shopping app, such as Google Channel or a third-party solution. Install the chosen app by clicking on the Add App button. Once installed, open the app from your apps list. You will need to connect your Google account to the app. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions for integration. Next, set up your Google Merchant Center account if you haven't already. Provide the required information like your business name and website URL. Once this is complete, link your Merchant Center account to the Shopify app. Check the settings in the app to ensure your product feed is configured correctly. Select your preferences for feed updates, including frequency and specific product attributes. Ensure your product prices are accurate and match those listed on your Shopify store. Review any optional settings that allow for enhanced listings or promotions. Save your settings and navigate to the Product Listings tab in the app. From here, select the products you wish to include in your Google Shopping feed. You can filter products based on availability, category, or price. After you have made your selections, click on the button to create or update your product feed. The app will generate your feed and send it to Google Merchant Center automatically. Regularly check your Google Merchant Center account for any errors or warnings related to your feed. Make adjustments in Shopify or through the app as necessary to resolve any issues. Monitor your performance through Google Ads, analyzing impressions and clicks from your listings. Keep your feed updated regularly to ensure your product prices reflect any changes made in Shopify. With these steps, you can efficiently transfer price feeds from Shopify to Google Shopping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.